Does shopping for appliances feel like a gamble? Are the number of brands and retailers enough to make your head spin? What if you could remove the risk and find a luxury kitchen appliance brand that manages the entire process, from the factory to your home? Meet Hallman, a dedicated leader providing quality assurance, transparency, and lifetime support. We eliminate middlemen and create winning outcomes for all our partners, especially you, the customer. Based in Austin, Texas, we've spent the last 20 years delivering beautiful appliances that become the focal point of kitchens around the world. Our founder, Ben Hallman, leads a team of professionals who work behind the scenes every day to maintain the highest level of service for our partners and customers alike. From factory engineers, inspectors, and logistics planners to qualified sales and service professionals on call, our cutting-edge technology guarantees transparency and satisfaction. Our mission is to deliver you the best overall experience in the appliance industry, before, during, and after the sale is completed. Hallman, luxury for life.